So Promethean's historically been known as a provider of interactive whiteboards. Well, the technology in terms of large surface displays and what's available and how engaging that can be is really taking a different form factor. So in that surface display alone, you've got interactive flat panels. So you've now got a brilliant, very clear, crisp picture that looks engaging to start with. It looks like a television device, an LCD television device that teachers and students use at home. So I think that's the first part, is that form factor is changing. We're also looking at large surface displays, so over 100 inch, up to 135-inch surface displays. So now, what really traditionally, when a front of class surface has been used, it's primarily been used as a teacher projecting out to a whole group, in a whole group learning environment. Now you have the chance to actually bring multiple groups, small teams of students up to a surface and work on a vertical surface, as well as work on their individual devices, their laptops, their iPads, or whatever they happen to have. So that creates a new team environment that didn't exist before, workspaces, virtual workspaces. So that's from an equipment standpoint, that's one of the big things that Promethean's offering. And as we go downstream, the other piece of that is, how do you connect all of the disparate devices that are in the classroom and turn that into an instructional tool? Well, software is what drives all of that. And so what Promethean's done is created a product called Classflow that essentially allows you to manage the flow of information between large surface displays, whether it's a projector, or a whiteboard, or a flat panel, and student devices, so that you can take information from the student devices, bring it up to a front of class discussion for whole group discussion, or you can actually send differentiated individual content down to student devices. So now if I've got advanced learners, learners that are lagging behind, and those that are right on track, I can send different kinds of content to them. They can learn inside the classroom. You can send assignments, pre-assignments, post-assignments, as well as the in the class, in the moment, all the while collecting formative assessment and providing the learning analytics so that you can actually personalize as you go downstream. So that's what we're really bridging, what we're calling the modern classroom. It's devices in the students' hands. It is a surface display of some sort for whole group instruction, and it's managing the connection of those devices and actually how those devices are used and how digital content is delivered to the students and received from the students.